Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video. If you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and notification bell to be notified when I upload. And if you are not, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be doing a review on my Ipsy Glam bag. If you don't know what Ipsy is a monthly subscription service for only $10 a month. We'll put the link in the description if you guys want to get your own. When you sign up, you have to create your profile, and they will ask you what's your skin tone, what's your hair color, what's your eye color, and then they will ask you what's your hair type, and then they will ask you what's your favorite makeup brands, and they will ask you what type of makeup do you like and what type of colors do you like. And they will ask you if you want nail polish, what color nail polishes do you like. Yeah, it's like so without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So this is what the packaging looks like. It comes in a pink bubble wrap package. So I forgot to mention in the beginning of the video, you will get synthesized items, or sometimes it will be like full-size items. And also on the second day of the month, they will ask you if you want to add a add-on item to go with your glam bag. I won't mention that. So this is what the bag looks like. It's like a greenish bluish color with like pink spots around it or on it, and it's like little leaves on the bag and like trees and stuff. And the zipper tag thingy is like Ipsy on it, and it's like pinkish peach color. So when you open the bag, it comes with a card that tells you what's the theme of the month, and it tells you the items that you got in your glam bag. The theme is Dive In, and it just gives you a description of the theme and the glam bag. So the first item that I took out was this Benefit Cosmetics Roller Lash Curling Mascara, and it comes in a box packaging. So this is what the mascara looks like, and it's a pretty packaging, and this is what the brush looks like. So the next thing that I'm pulling out is this Feel Mindful Palo Santo Smoothing Mask, and it's supposed to help smooth and calm sensitive skin. I'm excited about this because I have sensitive skin, and I hope this will work for me. The next thing that I'm pulling out is this nail polish by Color Club, and it's in the shade Palm to Palm. And I did put this on my nails, and it looked like blue, but then it looked like green. It turned green. I don't know, I think I'm colorblind, so. The next item that I'm pulling out is the Balm eyeshadow, and He Said, She Said. and it's really a pretty eyeshadow. I heard you can use it for eyeshadow or highlight, but I think I'm gonna use it for eyeshadow. It's a real pretty color though. It's like a purple eyeshadow with like glitter, yellow glitter, and it's real pretty. So the last item that I got was this Firma Beauty 204 eyeshadow brush. I think it's a white eyeshadow brush, and this is what it looks like. The add-on item that I got, which wasn't in the glam bag, I got the Huda Beauty eyeshadow, the Huda Beauty Obsession Mauve eyeshadow palette. And I never had a Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette before, and I'm excited that I got one. It's a real pretty palette. It's 3 shimmers and 5 mattes, I think. I will probably do a video using this eyeshadow palette. I don't know yet. So that's all that I got in my glam bag. That's it for this video. If you guys want to see more videos like this, if this video gets to 10 likes, I will do more videos like this. If you guys like this video, leave a like down below and leave a comment and share this video, and I will see you guys in my next video.